The ship's bell, I think, of all the ship's equipment, this is different because the ship's bell is the heart. It's what regulated their day. It was the rhythm of life on board. It really was the piece of equipment that brought all the men on board together. When did the expedition collapse to the point where the Navy rhythm, Navy discipline, Navy way of life really left the ship? And that's, I think, a symbolic way to try to understand or put in perspective the slowly degrading state of this group of men, highly organized, highly sophisticated in their way of working together. How did that slowly collapse? When did the bell stop ringing?